Ever wondered where your car's heart comes from? Step into MAB Spares, where quality engines and parts meet dedication. Our real warehouse buzzes with authenticity, showcasing the passion behind every piece we offer. MAB Spares is UAE-based company where the shipment is fast, reliable, and easy container delivery to worldwide. At MAB Spares, we prioritize reliability, ensuring each component meets our high standards as we deal in Japanese and Korean parts. MAB Spares connects the world with high-quality parts, especially in wholesale. Our global network ensures timely delivery no matter where you are. Experience our commitment to customer satisfaction worldwide. We specialize in supplying global importers, dealers, and bulk procurement networks. Inquire with us for your specifically required parts. We ensure prompt assistance and reliable sourcing. Experience the MAB Spares difference today. For customer satisfaction, we load the container in front of customer through digital sources like in-camera loading. Ready to enhance your automotive experience? Visit our website now and discover the quality and reliability of MAB Spares. Let's drive excellence together.